Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook cover photo without losing the likes or comments on your existing cover photo. Instead of uploading a brand new image, you'll update your cover photo using one that's already in your Facebook photos. So let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer and sign in to your account. Next, click on your profile to open your profile page. Move your cursor over your current cover photo and click Edit Cover Photo. From the menu, select Select Photo instead of Upload Photo. Now, browse through your existing Facebook photos and choose the image you want to use as your new cover photo. After selecting the photo, adjust its position if needed, then click Save Changes. If you're replacing your cover photo with one that's already uploaded to Facebook, the likes and comments on that photo will remain with the original photo in your albums. However, keep in mind that if you upload a completely new image as your cover photo, it will be treated as a new post and won't keep the likes or comments from your previous cover photo. Once you're satisfied with the result, your new cover photo will be updated on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your Facebook cover photo without losing likes or comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips, social media tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.